In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a couple of examples where we are subtracting matrices. Now, we've got to remember that matrices can be subtracted if and only if they have the same dimensions. So if they do not have the same dimensions, then we're not going to be able to subtract them. In this first example, we're going to take a look at A minus B. If A is this 2 by 2 matrix and B is this 2 by 2 matrix. Since the dimensions are the same, then we can go ahead and subtract them. So showing all of the work here, we're going to have A minus B. All right, rewriting those, each individual matrix here will have a 9, -4, 2, 7, and subtracting the 3, 8, 6, -2. All right, now what we're going to do is each corresponding location of the matrix is what's going to be subtracted. So we'll do top left-hand corners, we'll do top right-hand corners, bottom left-hand corners, and bottom right-hand corners. All right, and I will show all steps here. So we will have a 9 minus 3 for the top left-hand corner. We'll have a -4 minus 8 for the bottom left-hand corner. Top right-hand corner is going to be 2 minus 6. Bottom right-hand corner, 7 minus a -2. All right, now going ahead and completing that subtraction here. 9 minus 3 is going to give me a 6 in that top left-hand corner. -4 minus 8 will give me a -12. 2 minus 6 will give me a -4. And 7 minus a -2 will give me a 9. So a pretty straightforward example there of subtracting matrices. Okay, now coming over here and looking at this, it says find A minus B if A, in this case, is a 2 by 1 matrix, and this one is a 2 by 2 matrix. All right, since the dimensions do not line up, then we cannot subtract them here. So let's just make a little note here. You cannot subtract A and B. Okay, it's because they do not have the same dimensions. So just a quick rundown there of how you go about subtracting matrices. If the videos are helping, please be sure and share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.